Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I just thought I'd share a couple of projects that I created. I made a wand, and also I packaged some candy, and I thought I'd go ahead and just share with you guys what I did. And here's another packaging idea here. This one I just basically used my little bee edge punch to create the scallop edge on both sides. You can kind of see it better here. And I scored, just to fold it over. And then I just used one of my crepe paper rosettes. And this is a rosette that I created using I believe it's the We Are Memory Keeper Rosette punch, and then it's an older punch, and then I just put a star there, and I had previously made this pillow box, but I just went ahead and just packaged it. And then I created this wand, and I had this dangling the little jingle bells, but then I don't know, I just kind of didn't want it to move around a lot, so I ended up winding the eyelash trim all around and decided to just keep it stationary. And then here I just use one of my Alina craft dies here for the this bottom piece. Layered that with one of the doily dies that I have that I had purchased from, and I can't remember if it was from Ali or from Amazon, but it's a doily die. Let me see if I can find it. It's this one right here, and I can't remember, seriously, I didn't, one of the dies that I did not mark or label. And excuse the noise in the background. My family, they're watching a movie right now. Again, I used that same We Are Memory Keepers punch to create the rosette right here. So the rosette is just a bigger version of this one right here. And then I layered it with the LDRS Creative doily in white glitter cardstock, and then this purple rosette I created with the what is that die? It's the one that I got from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember if it's a Spellbinders or if it was a, I can't remember. So anyway, you guys know this is the one from Hobby Lobby that creates the bigger and the smaller rosettes. It's a die. And then of course my little bear. And then I just put this purple sequence ribbon from my stash. And that's about it. It's really cute. And then in the back, there's that doily that I was talking about. The doily die that I showed you guys. And then I just put a little wooden snowflake that was in my stash. I can't remember where I got it. I think it might have been Hobby Lobby. So that is my rosette. It's really cute. It took me a while to make because for some reason I was just kind of struggling with it. And then again I packaged some candy. And just use the paper from the Northern Lights. And then this I just kind of made like a really simple topper, just using actually a round scalloped Spellbinders die that had the little heart cutouts on it. Just folded that over just to create a topper, and then put my little bear. So cute. So I think I'm just going to make one more thing, and then I think I'm done for Christmas, you guys. I'm Christmased out now, so, or, you know, winter projects. I'm seeing a lot of Valentine projects on YouTube, and I'm just itching to do some Valentine projects now that I've, you know, I've bought some Valentine supplies, and I just want to put away all my Christmas stuff, winter stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys like my quick share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Here are the dies I used, just in case you guys are wondering, to create my rosette.